Hello students, I'm Atri from Smart Preps and today I'm here to discuss an important topic related to our CTET and State TET and all other important teachers eligibility tests. Since the date of CTET has been declared, it's 6th of September and it's time for us to revise and repeat whatever we have studied, and we are here to help you, in your journey to become a successful teacher. Today we will be discussing socialization in education. Socialization in education is easy, but when questions come, it becomes a bit tricky. আৰু এই ট্ৰিকি কুৱেশ্যনসমূহৰ উত্তৰ দিবৰ কাৰণে আমি গোটেই যেটো টপিক হয় হেতু খুব ভালকে খুব নিখুঁতভাৱে আমি বুজি ল'ব লাগে। আমি আজি বুজিম আৰু ইয়াৰ লগতে কেইটামান কুৱেশ্যনো প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিম। Socialization হয় কি? The way in which a child learns how to socialize. Aristotle koise je man is a social animal. By nature, we are social. We tend to have affinity towards a group, right? We want to be within group, among friends, among family members. Peer groups are ami participate koribo khujo. Our socialization is something which cannot be taught in, pen and paper. To me, bacha tak bohuai pelai socialization teneke step by step hikabo nuara ba hikwa na jayo. Most of the time he or she will learn it on his own by and it will be affected by his environment, social environment, the family that he is a part of, the the school that the child goes to, the friend group, neighborhood. Okay, all these things are important, and socialization is that process how the child will transition from a biological individual to a social individual. It is a journey that the child undergoes. Okay, so socialization is that lifelong process by which individuals learn the norms and the rules and regulations, values of society which he is a part of. Cultural values will be instilled in that person, okay, through socialization. The child will learn the behavior of the society, and it starts at birth and continues throughout life. It is socialization is a kind of development. It's a continuous process, okay? And in fact, the way we perceive our society, the way we perceive our near environment, it keeps on changing as we age, right? With our age, as we grow, there are ways in which we start seeing the same thing differently. Children gradually understand how to act, communicate, participate in their cultural environment. Certain socio-cultural values are instilled in the child right after the child is born. Okay, jetiar pra jonmor pra jetia bacha tai dekhe whatever is going on in the surrounding, the way their parents are celebrating certain festivals, okay, the way they are observing occasions, he bilakot ki hoy, he bilakor pora ami kisuman knowingly unknowingly ami kisuman bostu ayotto koru. Aru teneke jetia horur pra dangor hoi jay tetia it starts becoming a ritual. Aru hekarne ami eneke ko je amar ghorot etu bostu eneke hoy, amar ghorot birthday celebrate eneke hoy, tahator ghorot birthday celebrate beleke hobo pare, ami pujat ekhini niyom koru, kumba belege hoto beleke koribo pare. So hey amar niyom, amar ghor, amar environment, ei bostutue unknowingly ama socialization hikai. Now there are different types of socialization. First is primary socialization. Primary socialization. Now this is the immediate environment of the baby, okay? Right at birth, right from birth, infancy state of pra jikejon manhok bachatue log pai. It can be parents, siblings, grandparents, okay? Hey gutei khinike ami primary socialization ba primary social members boli ami hiyotok consider koribo paru. That is primary socialization, jikhini hey immediate family members khinir logot interaction hobo, and that's how we learn a lot about our own culture. Language development too, in fact, ফ্যামিলিৰ পৰাই ষ্টাৰ্ট হয় তাৰ পিছত গৈ পেলাই we start interacting with others কিন্তু যেটো একদম initial state of language development that also starts within the family. Okay, so the family, especially parents and siblings, they act as the primary agent. And here the child will learn basic language, basic hygiene, okay, and moral concepts. What is right, what is wrong, okay, what to do, what not to do, moral dilemma যিবোৰ ফৰ্ম হয় হেবুৰাকত কেনেকে ৰিজনিং দি পেলাই they will come out of that situation. That is also learned from the primary socialization, and these values remains intact till a very long period of time, and they become the foundation for their behavior. Okay, now first one was primary socialization. Next, let us come to secondary socialization. As the child grows, the environment, or you can say the society, it will enlarge for the child, it will grow for the child. Friends bahibo, family members okol jeto immediate family hoy hetute limited hoi na thake. The child will start interacting with his cousins, okay, with both the sides, fathers and mothers side of the family, and that's how the group, it will expand. And those people, okay, whom the child will meet after, other than the primary members or primary socialization, that forms the part of secondary socialization. School hobo pare, neighborhood hobo pare, these are part of secondary socialization. Okay, they can be, yeah, those includes schools, peers, media, neighborhood. Okay, and this phase is important for the child kyonu hetu time the child understands and starts accepting diversities. Mur ghorat jetu hoi ase hetue norm of the society nohoy, moi jeneke ghorat thaku hetue sobore niyom nohoy. Hey bostu to, hey difference to understand koribor karone, hey difference to buji pabor karone secondary socialization becomes very important, and that's how secondary socialization impacts the way a child behaves in the society. Yeah, it will introduce the child to some formal rules, diverse perspectives, and broader social expectations, societal expectations. Next is developmental socialization. Eta ki hoy? As the child is growing, okay, he or she will need different sets of skills. Okay, different sets of skills in order to feel more welcomed in the society. Jeneke school ekhonot jete ami ghorat thaku ami amar matrbhasha hiku, thik ase, matrbhasha hiku aru hetu to iman besi expert hoi na jao, jikhini basic communication or karone lage horu baby eta kiman khini hike. After 5 years of age jeta formal education start hoi jay tetia ki hoy, the child is admitted to a school which has got a definite medium, thik ase, and in that medium the child starts communicating. Etu Asomia hobo pare, English hobo pare, Hindi hobo pare, jikono medium jetu prefer kore family e. Okay, so hetu medium ot jeta poribo tetia hetu eta notun skill hobo. Jodi English hoy, suppose ghorot Asomia kotha pati ase aru English medium school ekhonot goise, jetu yate eta common feature hoy, tetia ki hoy je it's a new language. ঠিক আছে, new language that the child is learning. He will learn a definite skill of communicating in that particular language. Aru hetue ki hoise, hetue hoise developmental socialization. Develop kori ase. Jodi karbar matrbhasha aru schooler medium to same hoy, tetiao it is a kind of development. Kyono ghorot ami jeneke kotha patu teneke schooler medium ot hetu language use holeo the way of communication is not that. It is more formal, right? So that's why developmental socialization is a type where we learn new skills, where we develop new skills in order to feel more welcomed and accommodated in the society. Okay? Learning specific formal skills needed for the upcoming social transition. Talking, taking public speaking, etiquette classes, okay, jeneke schoolot hikwa hoy how to behave properly, স্কুলত কিছুমান স্কুলত টেবল মেনাৰ্ছো শিকোৱা হয়, প্ৰায়বিলাকতে শিকোৱা হয় আজিকালি. We learn how to behave in the library. Okay, we learn how to play sportsmanship spirit develop hoy, right? So these are what? These are developmental socialization that the child understands or that the child learns. Okay, next is re-socialization. It is nothing but discarding some outdated behaviors. Jibur agote prosolito asile kintu etia dorkar nai. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া দৰকাৰ নাই আৰু হয়তো এতিয়া নেগেটিভ সেন্সত লোৱা যায়. Those type of socialization, or you can say those type of activities that is discarded and a new set of behavior is learned, that is re-socialization. আৰু কেতিয়াবা কি হয়, suppose a human being, he has one different age or stage of different social changes ahe মানুহৰ লাইফত, আৰু তেনেকে কি হয়, তেনেকে আমি how to behave differently আমি বুজি পাওঁ. For example, এজনী ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে before marriage and after marriage, the environment are quite different. Okay, she will have to I won't say leave everything that she has learned in her parents' home, but it's a new social environment. Okay, so that kisuman outdated noholeo kisuman different eya hoy, different nature hoy ba different rules, sets of rules hoy, hekhini abruptly to change kori dibo nware, gradually change kori pele ami agbarhu, right? So that way it is also a kind of re-socialization. Notun norms, notun rules. Okay, aru kunba hoyto aru eta example lobo paru, kunba hoyto okhomot pori ase, he beleg ekhon state leke gusi goise for higher studies, kunba eta bachcha, thik ase. So tetiao ki hoy, cultural change eta to ahiboy, social change eta to ahiboy. So that is what he is, whatever he has, he will know that, but he'll have to accommodate something more. Okay, that is not a skill. Hetu eta skill nohoy, hetu just ইয়াতে হয়তো কিবা এটা বেলেগ ভাষা কৈ আছে, তাতে গৈ পেলাই বেলেগ এটা ভাষাত কথা পাতিব, এটা সেই ভাষাটো ফৰ্মেল নহয়, অফিচিয়েল নহয়. ওকে, ইয়াতে হয়তো কিছুমান ফেষ্টিভেল বেলেগকে সেলিব্ৰেট কৰে, তাতে অলপ বেলেগকে সেলিব্ৰেট কৰা হয়, ইয়াতে ব্ৰেকফাষ্টৰ টাইম বেলেগ হয়, তাতে ব্ৰেকফাষ্টৰ টাইম বেলেগ হ'ব. ওকে, তো সেইটো ইমান ফৰ্মেল চেঞ্জ নহয়. সো দ্যাট ইজ ৰি-সোশ্যালাইজেশন. ওকে, discarding some old behavior and norms in order to adopt entirely new ones to fit in a different culture or in a different social context. Kunbai migrate kori ase, okay, abroad shift kori ase, teteo cultural change eta ahi jay. Okay, so that is what mainly eto negative sense ot lobo logya bostu nohoy. Mainly kotha to hoise different culture ot jodi tumi joa, tetia hole different way you will have to survive, different way you will have to socialize. While in Rome, you do as the Romans do, right? So it is like that. Then factors that influences socialization. Definitely parenting is going to influence the way a child socializes. Parents are the first, you can say, teachers of the child. Not just teachers, they are the first social interaction for the baby as well. Okay, the child right after his or her birth, he will interact with the parents first, then grandparents. Our siblings jodi ase tetia hole definitely the siblings. So whatever however the parents behave, the child is going to behave accordingly. The child doesn't learn that way. Tumi jodi bacharak bohai pelai koa jay majoni tumi ajir pora eneke koriba, hoday ratipa 6টা বজাত উঠিবা, hoday rati 9টা বজাত huba, hoday dinot 3 ঘন্টা পঢ়িবা, she'll not understand it that way. Okay, if she sees her parents, দেখিছে যে মাক বাপেকে ৰাতিপুৱা সোনকালে উঠি আছে, okay, correct time ত অফিস গৈ আছে বা correct time ত নিজৰ কাম বিলাক কৰি আছে, তো তেতিয়া knowingly unknowingly the child will also learn the same thing. Okay, parents will teach value, manners, daily habits through direct interaction. কেতিয়াবা তো direct interaction হয়, তাৰ লগতে whatever the parents are doing, whichever way they are doing the things, that is also instilled by the child knowingly or unknowingly. Okay, children learn society's expectations mainly from the family, aru hei karone it becomes the family's responsibility. Jodi society kiba negative issue solve ase, jodi society keneবা ধৰণৰ discrimination solve ase, so it becomes the family's responsibility to give a clear picture, okay, to the child. that we should not discriminate people based on language, we should not discriminate them based on gender, there should not be any kind of preference, okay, for male child or female child. Ebur jetia family practice no hobo tetia he bachatoe nihikibo aru pisot later on jodi society tenekwa kiba example dekhao pai, it will not impact the child very badly karon tar already eta positive base thakiboi. He positive base to thakile কিছুমান নেগেটিভ ইম্পেক্টৰ পৰা আমি হিহঁতক পুৰাটো প্ৰটেক্ট ডেফিনেটলি কৰিব নোৱাৰো, বাট ইভেন দেন আমি সেই ইম্পেক্টটো তাৰ ইন্টেন্সিটিটো আমি ডেফিনেটলি কমাব পাৰো. Then parenting, and then next is cooperation. Cooperative environment is very important, otherwise children will not know the importance of group study, peer group, leadership qualities able to develop in hobo jodi cooperation nai. Okay, so teamwork and social skills when they work with others during games, tasks and group activities. Ekelege bohi pelai summer break etia maximum lasole summer break soli ase, to ami summer camp join korao. Tate ki hoy summer camp ot okol eta bachcha to na thake, definitely group of kids, they will maybe paint together, they will learn something, they'll learn a particular craft together, they'll sing together, dance together. So this way what happens, the child is learning the importance of cooperation. Keneke groupot thakibo pari, keneke groupot thaki eta particular task perform koribo pari, which will help that individual to do better later on in his or her life. Okay, then imitation. Moi to koisue just parenting ot koi uthisu je a child doesn't learn just from the rules. Rule book ekhon di dile lora saliye nihike, he or she will learn by he or she will imitate his or her parents. Aru imitate je okol parents oke koribo henekwa nohoy, jitu environment ot thake, aru he karone koa hoy je positive environment is very important, fundamental for growth of a positive individual. Keneke khai ase, keneke bohi ase, keneke kotha pati ase, kuntu tone ot manhor logot kotha patise. ঘৰত এনেকুৱা দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায়, কোনোবা যদি ডমেষ্টিক হেল্প থাকে আৰু তাৰ লগত যদি বেয়া বিহেভ কৰা যায়, বেয়া ইন দ্য সেন্স বেয়াকে কৈ আছে, জোৰছে চিঞৰি আছে, হঠাৎ বেয়াকে গালি পাৰি আছে, সেইটো পেৰেণ্টছক যদি দেখা পায় তো বাচ্চাটোৱে সেম টাইপত ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰে. তেওঁলোকে সিহঁতে বা দাদা বুলি মাতাও মানে নিজে নামাতেও মোষ্ট অফ দ্য টাইম এনেকুৱা হয়, XYZ নাম হয়, নাম কাঢ়ি মাতি আছে, বাচ্চা কেইটাইও নাম কাঢ়ি মাতি আছে আৰু বহুতে শুধৰায়ও নিদিয়ে. আমি মাতি আছো কাৰণ হয়তো আমাতকে সৰু হয় বয়সত, সেইকাৰণে মাতি আছো বা তেনেকেই মাতো আগৰ পৰা, কিন্তু বাচ্চাটোৰ কাৰণে সেইটো নহয়. তেওঁ ভালকে মাতিব, তাক ভালকে মাতিব শিকাব লাগে, ৰেসপেক্ট কৰিব শিকাব লাগে. সো সেই ইমিটেশনটো তেনেকেই আহে. যদি আমি ভালকে কথা পাতো, ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনিও ভালকে কথা পাতিব. আৰু টিচাৰ্ছৰ লগতো সেম, স্কুলত যদি টিচাৰ এজনে ভালকে কথা পাতি আছে, ধুনীয়াকে হাঁহি মুখে কথা পাতি আছে, সফটলি জেন্টলি কথা পাতি আছে, that will be imitated by the child. টিফিন খোৱাৰ সময়ত শিকোৱা হয়, এলিমেন্টাৰী যিখিনি প্ৰাইমাৰী যিখিনি ষ্টুডেন্টছ আছে সিহঁতক শিকোৱা হয় কেনেকে হেংকাৰচিফ পাৰি পেলাই তাত ৰখি পেলাই ভালকে খাব লাগে. উই শুড নট লাইক while chewing you should not open your mouth very loud. এই যিবোৰ এটিকেট পিছত শিকোৱা হয় সেইবোৰ স্কুলৰ পৰাই শিকাব পাৰি, কাৰণ সেইবোৰ ইমিটেট কৰা হয় আৰু তেনেকে ইমিটেট কৰোতে 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 গ্ৰেজুৱেলি সিহঁতৰ সেইটো হেবিটলৈকে ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম হৈ যায়, গমো নাপায় যে it has grown as a habit. Okay, so young learners, they often copy the behavior of adults, teachers and peers. They adopt language, gestures and habits through imitation. Okay, and last one is rewards and punishments. Eto ki hoy, rewards are always encouraging, punishment is always discouraging. Horu bachcha bilakok ami eneke kau no je tumi jodi eto kaam kora, I'll give you chocolate. ঠিক আছে, or else তুমি এখিনি ভালকে লিখি পেলাই কমপ্লিট কৰি দিয়া, মই তোমাক তাতে ষ্টাৰ লিখি দিম. ওকে, সো দ্যাট ইজ আ রিওয়ার্ড. The child will do that thinking of the reward. এখিনি কৰিলে চকলেটটো পাম, এখিনি যদি লিখি কমপ্লিট কৰি দিও তো মেবি মোক ইয়াতে ডাবল ষ্টাৰ দিব বা 10 on 10 দিব. ঠিক আছে, সো দ্যাট ইজ আ রিওয়ার্ড. It encourages the child to change his behavior or to act in a particular way. And similarly, punishments are discouraging. Okay, জেনাৰেলি ফ্যামিলিত এনেকুৱা হয় যে যদি দুটা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী আছে, ডাঙৰ সিবলিংটোৱে কিবা এটা কথাত গালি খালে সৰুটো নিজে নিজে ঠিক হৈ যায়, সি মানে সেইখিনি সময়ত একদম ঠিককে থাকিব যে নাই, বিকজ দ্য পেৰেণ্টছ আৰ স্কল্ডিং, মা বা দেউতাই গালি পাৰি আছে ডাঙৰটো, মইতো এতিয়া গৈ পেলাই চুপচাপ গৈ টেবুলত গৈ কিতাপখন উলিয়াই লোৱাহে কথা. চ' পানিছমেণ্টছ ডিসকারেজিং কিবা এটা কথাৰ কাৰণে যদি পানিশমেন্ট পোৱা হয় তেতিয়াহলে বাচ্চাটোৱে যেটা সৰু হৈ থাকে হেতু বস্তুলৈকে তাহাত না যায় সেই এক্টিভিটিটো তেওঁলোকে নকৰে ৰাইট সো consequence related hoy rewards encourages desirable behavior while consequences help children understand what actions the society discourages and what actions should be avoided okay so yeah related dutaman questions ailo etia a teacher replaces word like chairman with chairperson during the class discussions. This is going to promote what? Yata answer kita highlight korai ase. So, apnaloke janiboy answer to. Kintu holeo language accuracy, gender neutral language, punishment based learning and formal classroom tone. Okay? Now see, chairman with chairperson. Man ba women yate diya hua nai. Aru as a teacher, it is our responsibility to promote a gender neutral environment. Kyono gender discrimination na thake, okay? It encourages all to participate, okay? And this itself is some kind of a encouraging tone in which the teacher is communicating, okay? So definitely your answer to yata diya ase apnaloke pori sale protective question e CTET বা যিকোনো টিচার্স এলিজিবিলিটি টেস্টৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো কোৱেশ্চনে যদি পঢ়ি চাই তো লজিক্যালি ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ উলিয়াব পাৰি সো সেই কাৰণে অলপ টাইম দি পেলাই যদি আমি আনসাৰস খিনি পঢ়ো কোৱেশ্চনটো পঢ়ো তেতিয়াহলে আনসাৰ উলিয়াটো আমাৰ কাৰণে সহজ হৈ পৰে হিয়াৰ দ্য কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ উইল বি জেন্ডাৰ নিউট্রাল ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ সেকেন্ড ইজ আ স্টুডেন্ট লার্নস টেবল ম্যানার্স বাই অবজার্ভিং পেরেন্টস at the dining table. This is an example of what? It is an example of imitation. মই অলপ আগতে কৈ আহিছো যে স্কুলত শিকোৱা হয় টিফিন কেনেকৈ খাব লাগে ঘৰত ৰাতিপুৱা কেইটা বজাত পেৰেন্টস উঠি আছে হেতু গ্ৰাজুৱেলি ফলো কৰিব ওকে কেনেকৈ কোনটো টোনত কথা পাতি আছে ঘৰৰ মানুহৰ লগত হেতুৱে বাচ্চাটোৱে ফলো কৰিব সো দ্যাট ইজ নাথিং বাট ইমিটেশন নেক্সট থাৰ্ড কোৱেশ্চন a child learns how to behave in a queue by observing people at a railway station. Which type of agency is involved? Okay. Now, agents of socialization boli jodi ami kaho agents of socialization boli jodi ami kaho so we have active and passive agents okay active agents and passive agents active agents hoy hebor jar logot direct contact ot bachchato thake family okay family friends neighbor direct contact mane hosarasar hoday log pai thake school okay these are active karon daily jai school le family daily log pai hebor okay passive agents hoy those where the child may not go nije personally participate na koribo pare kintu hey rules bor dekhi hike for example ei jate je dia ase railway station public library then what hospitals etia yat jeta prosnot ahe je active hoy ne passive hoy tetia tar engagement to pohilwa to khub dorkari karon for example hospitals ot active agency hobo pare active agent hobo pare passive agent hobo pare nije jodi directly goi doctor jonor logot communicate kori ase kiba nijor bemarar logot kotha pati ase to actively hobo okay that active hobo pare kintu passive e karone hobo jodi hospital khonot joa nai kintu the child knows okay ta jabo lage goi pele register koraba lage register korai pele ডক্টৰক দেখাব লাগে ডক্টৰে প্ৰেছক্ৰাইব কৰিব মেডিচিনছ বোৰ সেই মেডিকেশন খিনি লৈ আহি পেলাই আকৌ ফাৰ্মাসিত ঘুমাব লাগিব সো এই ৰুলটো যেটো এটা ধৰণ হয় নৰমালি যেটো চলে হেতু বাচ্চাটোৱে গম পায় আছে ওকে ৰেলৱে ষ্টেচনত নিজে নগলো দেখিছে যে মানুহ যায় টিকেট লয় টিকেট কাউন্টাৰত টিকেট লয় লৈ পেলাই প্ল্যাটফৰ্ম নম্বৰত যায় গৈ পেলাই ট্ৰেইনত বহে গৈ পেলাই ৰেসপেক্টিভ সিটত বহিব টিটি আহিব টিকেট দেখাব লাগিব এবোৰ বস্তু কি হয় এবোৰ passive way of passive agents of socialization active family nijor family peer group neighborhood nije kotha pati ase nijor neighborhood ki soli ase etu to gom paboy school ot hoday goi ase okay teacher er logot interaction hoy ase so that way it is a active agent of socialization so this question a child learns how to behave in a queue by observing people at a railway station this agency is passive কিয়নো passive বুলি কিয় কোৱা হৈছে কাৰণ the child learns how to behave by observing okay he is not participating he is observing okay so passive agency fourth is a teacher forms mixed gender groups and encourages equal participation this will be what this will be an example of competition hobone nohoy karon kyo encouraging equal participation okay equal participation to competition to nohobo eto okay individual learning nohoy kyono eto eta mixed gender group hoy group formation of individual learning ot ke basic group engagement aru participation of importance dia hoy thik ase so individual learning hobo nware memory based learning or kotha yate koto dia hua nai okay eko mention kora hua nai so this is also irrelevant social justice and inclusivity mixed gender inclusive hobo inclusive learning hobo hoine equal participation so justice therefore the correct answer is social justice and inclusivity fifth question children develop leadership and teamwork through group projects this is going to be an example of what type of socialization through what okay punishment to nohoy because it is going to be a teamwork through group projects so yete punishment er kotha kopra ahe okay imitation nai hoi thaka leadership and teamwork okay leadership and teamwork er kotha koa hoise so yat imitation or kono question arise hua nai alop kheli meli observation aru cooperation er majot lagibo pare whether the child is observing or the child is learning cooperation right akor bar proshno to porhu ami children develop leadership and teamwork through group projects okay okol mere observe korile nohobo yat participate koribo lagibo okay participate koribo lagibo merely outside the group thaki to kori thaka nai group or bahirot to nohoy they themselves are what they themselves are members they want to learn leadership and teamwork so hetu karone they will have to participate and while participating they will have to cooperate okay so the correct answer here is going to be cooperation okay so socialization ki hoy bujilu aji types of socialization factors responsible for socialization and agents of socialization okay aru ketaman proshno korilu thik ase I hope this particular topic was clear to you this way we will be discussing more such topics in the upcoming videos we'll be discussing theories related to Piaget Kohlberg's okay Vygotsky and we will practice some questions accordingly thank you I hope you enjoyed this session and you are revising your materials your study materials and whatever you have with you you know you are revising them well wishing you all the very best for your upcoming exam thank you